Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Outlook rule on your Outlook mail to help you organize your presentation mails much better. So I'm going to go into Outlook. As you can see, this is the new Outlook. It's quite different from, it's also different from this new Outlook is different from the Outlook Classic, but I'm going to be creating another video on that, on how to install and how to create a rule, the same rule on that Outlook Classic. So let's do a quick tutorial on how to create the rule. So as you can see, there are different kind of mails here from different departments. You have compliance, you have human capital management, you have likes of them all. So I'm going to be using let's say compliance. Then I'm going to go to rules, manage rules, create rules. So you're going to select create rules because you're trying to create a rule. Then you're going to select the folder of which you want that particular any mails coming from compliance to go to. So I'm going to create a new folder for it. I'm going to name it compliance. You can use either cap lot or you're going to make compliance. Then I'm going to click save. Then I'm going to come to more options. Some more options, you're going to select where you want the mail to come from. So now I'm going to select from. Then select the sender. That's compliance, which is this. Then you want to select where the mail will move to. So you select to, usually nothing is usually yes. So you select move to. So that's how this move to came about. Then you select the folder you want to move the files to. That's the folder we created earlier. You select the folder because you've already created it earlier. You select it, and it will be here. So the next thing you have to do is click on run rule now. So after you've done that, you click on save. After you've saved it, you notice that move all messages from compliance to compliance. So now if you click on cancel, you see that the folder has been created and all the mails in your inbox, all the mails from compliance in your inbox will be moved, have been moved to this compliance new rule you've created automatically, this compliance folder. So now what you have to do now is drag this compliance folder on the inbox. So now as you can see, it's on the inbox with all the other rules are also created for information and capital management. So as you can see, the compliance mail is updating. So now you no longer see the any compliance mail on your inbox. So what you have to do is come on the inbox, then you see the compliance mails. So if any new mail from compliance comes in, all you have to do, instead of scrolling out to your inbox finding the mail, all you have to do is come to compliance on the inbox, then you find the new mail from compliance. So guys, that's how to run that's how to create a rule on which can help you organize your files on the new Outlook. As you can see, this is a new Outlook. The new Outlook. So thank you guys for watching my channel. See you next time. Like I said, I'm going to be creating another video on how to create this rule on the Outlook Classic. So because the creating the rule on this new Outlook and the Outlook Classic, they are totally different. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Goodbye.